From a true soul comes the best guide about life.
Have you ever thought that life sucks, that it's so boring?
Look no further, we are here to help.
Why are we able to help?
Cause that's what we do.
Now time for 4 simple steps.
First step.
Step 1. Meet up with friends.
Stop.
Step 2.
Get rid of fake friends.
High five!
For you.
Step 3.
Do what you want.
Why? Doing what I want.
For the last step.
Forgive but don't forget.
I'm so sorry I hit you.
It's okay, I forgive you.
Thank you.
Let go. I
Yay!
so totally forgive you. We are friends.
Thank you.
Yeah, I so totally forgive you. Okay.
And don't forget, kids, forgiveness is not for free.
Oh, it still hurts.
Okay.
I think I need to see a doctor.
I don't think so.
Can I borrow $100 from you? As you just saw, that is how to make a life better.
It is a total life changer. What you do hit me though?
I like to do what I want. Remember, forgive me.
I forgive you. I need like $1,000 for medical fee. No.
Who are you? I think I know cash, Cashless.
This video was made by Dukes Comedies. It's not meant to offend any religion or race, blah 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 blah.
If you like this video, give a thumbs up.
Douche.